Hello YouTube, and in this video I will be starting my new building a computer series. So first, let's go over all the tools and parts that I'll be using. First are the screws, for either if I lose the screws that came with the parts, or if they didn't come with parts at all. A adjustable screwdriver, a 4GB thumb drive for getting drivers from my main computer to this one, a 1-foot tall D-Link antenna, a wireless G card, an AMD A4 APU clocked at 1.7 gigahertz. It's a dual core. 8 gigs of Kingston Blue DDR3 RAM clocked at 1600 megahertz. A Rio Smart 3 fan controller. Two red LED fans. A 320 gigabyte Seagate spin point drive, a 32 gigabyte SanDisk ReadyCache SSD, a Cooler Master GX 450 watt power supply, 80 plus bronze certified, a generic Light-On DVD reader and writer, an MSI A75A G35 motherboard that supports Crossfire graphics, a Gearhead multimedia keyboard and 5-button mouse, both of which are wireless, a Thermaltake V3 Black Edition case, and a Dell monitor. So now let's get to building.